Traceable Designer's Straight Style Cornice Valance kit includes a traceable no-sew valance design form and a matching table decorating design form. Also included is a style guide and needed materials list, quick start information and online video tutorial information, a no-sew custom valance design guide with step-by-step instructions, Velcro for hanging your panels, a tracing pencil, measuring tape, and extra long fabric pins and fusible fabric backing. Follow the instructions to prepare your design forms and your fabric sections. Use the valance design form to make side panels. These panels include a no-sew rod hanging pocket. This straight style no-sew valance design form includes a lined fabric positioning marker. Position your design form along the top edge of the lining and trace around the valance edges. Adjust the size by sliding the design form to the appropriate sizing line. This straight style valance design form is also used to make center panels. Slide the design form over the folded fabric edge to adjust the center panel size. Mark the design form at the center panel right arrow and trace around the design form. Then lower the design form and trace across the top edge to indicate the panel height cut line. Follow the same process for creating a fusible fabric contrast layer. When covering wider windows, make connector panels to hang between your center panels. Use the connector panel top edge sizing line and the width sizing line to make a Velcro on connector panel. You can also make a connector panel using a rod hanging pocket, the same as the side panels. Then simply slide the panels on the rod and position the center panels over the connector panels and the side panels. This versatile valance design form is also used to make a single panel valance that is hung using a continuous rod hanging pocket. Make a rod pocket adjustment and also make a custom size to fit your window. Mark your folded fabric section to make a custom size, then simply slide the design form toward the folded edge to finish tracing your custom valance. When no-sew custom decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.